Hey there, my name is Aditya, and today I'm going to show you how you can install PHP manually on Windows. So just go to php.net/downloads.php and click on Windows Downloads. Here you will be redirected to a link which will say PHP 5.6 and it will show the specific version with semantic versioning, and you are gonna download this one thing, that is VC11x64. Now if your PC is the 32-bit, then you are gonna download VC11x86 thread safe mode. Just download thread safe mode, don't download non-thread safe modes because they are still experimental builds. Actually x64 are completely experimental, but x64 zip file is not that experimental. So just download it. I have already downloaded that for you, and I have extracted it to C:\PHP. So here I have extracted all the files which were over there. So what are initial steps that I have done? I have just copied this php.ini-development and I have pasted it again over here and renamed it from php.ini-development, removing this part to rename it just to php.ini. But now I'm not gonna rename it because I already have it. So I'm gonna open this file up for you. So this php.ini file looks somewhat in this way in Sublime Text. I have installed a syntax highlighter for Sublime Text. So first thing that you need to do while doing this is go ahead and hit Ctrl F and hit _dir and just hit 3 times, find, and you're gonna find here extension _dir equals ext. So this is where your extensions are residing of PHP extensions. Now it's residing completely now here in the ext folder. There are lots of extensions: IMAP, Interbase, PDO, and SOAP and Peer, and many more. You're gonna use to this. So the next thing that you want to do is just go ahead, minimize. I'm going to open Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, and go ahead and check out Path. Click on Edit It, and now that I have lots of programs installed, okay, I'll be trying to find it out. Okay, so I just added this little part over here. So what I did in all was, let me show. I just did a semicolon, C:\, and part to the PHP folder, that is PHP, and hit enter. Now that I have that path installed, I can just hit OK, and close this out. So now, hooray, PHP is installed on your system. Don't believe me? Okay, so let's check it out. It must be or somewhere here. Come on, Windows 10 sucks really. Hey, where is yeah, here it is. So here is command prompt. I'll be hitting just php-v and you will be able to find that I have got the latest PHP installed, and it's the command line interface. So that's for PHP installation. And as for our Laravel specific project, we want to install Composer. Now Composer is a dependency manager for PHP and Laravel. Laravel uses it mostly. So for installing Composer, if you are on Mac or Ubuntu, just do curl and save that file and pass it through the PHP, and then if you don't have curl, you can do it through read file. But if you are on Windows, it is becoming much more simpler. Just install Composer setup. But yeah, you might get an error that OpenSSL extension is missing. If you get that error, just go ahead, open your php.ini, hit Ctrl F and search for OpenSSL and just uncomment this line. Now to uncomment is much easy. To comment, it just hit control backslash and it will add a semicolon in front of that line, which means this line is commented out, and anything you will do with this line, it does not do anything. So I have commented out it. So PHP OpenSSL is now commented out. I have already commented out mbstring.dll, which is used for our Laravel project, MySQL, MySQLi, PDO MySQL, and PDO SQLite. SQLite may be useful in some other projects which you are going to develop just locally and want to test it locally. So I have unlocked OpenSSL. If you want, you can do it somewhat this way, that Composer will install a bash script such that Composer init, Composer options will be right over there. I have got here one project, let's say. So here I can just hit right click, Composer update, Composer install. So if I hit Composer install, okay, everything is already installed, so no problem. Yeah, it can do that. Then I can have Composer update, so it will just update those all dependencies in my Composer project. So that's all what Composer is. So thank you, and meet you in the next episode where we'll be talking about how you can install Laravel and much more. So stay tuned.